Right, a little Monday morning rant, a rantette, and it's around the wing delivery drone that ended up in wires in Australia. If only, dear viewer, wherever you might be. Morning and welcome to Monday as well, by the way. If only there was some way of finding this ground information. If only. And really, I suppose what I'm responding to is this and many other threads on LinkedIn from Sanjeev, who is the principal engineer at SpaceX. So if he says something, then people listen, and people are coming up with all manner of contrivances to how to make drones avoid power wires, including saying if somebody did come up with a map of ground-based hazards, then you could commercialize that and you could sell that information. Heavens forbid that happens in our world. Somebody makes some sort of closed infrastructure for which you pay to get safety data. Imagine charging for safety data. What a thing that would be. So let's see if we can find ourselves a free solution. And also, I'd love it if a few more people from the Drone and Sundry community, from Ian's community, Bruce's community, Mark's communities, all of us started paying a little bit more attention to LinkedIn and come and argue with me, come and agree with me. I don't really mind, but we've got to start getting a better voice to inside places like LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, people really do think because they've seen a drone in a box in a store, they're an instantaneous expert on the subject, having never built nor flown anything. They've never returned from model aircraft flying field with a black plastic bag full of bits, and they need to know. Anyway, so this thread's kind of annoyed me a little bit, but I do enjoy arguing with people on LinkedIn. So let's give ourselves some context. Browns Plain is in Queensland. It's south part of Brisbane, 6,309 people. And then I looked for it on the map here, and this made me chuckle for two reasons. Shall I expand that? Let's see, let's expand that. Oh, I might regret doing that. Because, look, there's power lines. Now, funnily enough, so that's their marketing picture. Near Trady Browns Plains, Trady Browns. Now that looks to me not like 11 kVA power lines. Maybe they are in Australia strung like that. That looks like at least 33 kVA power lines. Now this, that's a drone shot as well, isn't it? I wonder if it is. Anyway, moving miles, and look, lovely gravel extraction going on there. Oh, Browns Plains, I dream of you. So yeah, looks to me like slightly bigger power lines, and I've also heard that this incident was hushed up by Wing, and it was the media that got them to admit it had happened. So somebody from Australia can probably correct me on whether that's right or wrong. Now, if only, of course, there's a way of getting the free data, and that comes from Altitude Angel, the good people there. If you go to SES News and look for the drone safety map, I think I put it drone UTM at the top, something like that on the front page. Click that, you'll get this map, but you'll also get their old logo. Now, I'm sorry, Altitude Angel, it's going to remain your old logo because I have forgotten how I made this page, and I dare not, I dare not break it anymore. So that's that. Anyway, they've got ground hazards on here. If I zoom in here, so this is, in fact, no, let's not zoom in London. So I'll land in London. So you can also use their Guardian Angel app. And we need to go to this side. So where's Brisbane? There it is. Paint drying. There it is. Browns Plains. Browns Plains. And what's that? That's interesting, isn't it? That's some sort of Greenbank military camp. So so the deliveries that they're doing there. I wonder if they deliver. I wonder if we could order something in Greenbank Military Camp and they'd fly. Anyway, Glider Forest. That's a nice name. I wonder why that's called Glider Forest. Anyway, am I getting distracted? I think I am. Let's go into Browns Plains. And look, easy wizzy. Let's get busy. It's even on Google Maps there. Look, Browns Plains substation. But this is the Altitude Angel ground hazard information. Hurrah, hooray, Kaloo, Calais. So it's not impossible, and I think it's everywhere in the world. I know it'll go. Let's go to where there should be a huge amount of information about hazards on the ground. There ought to be a danger area here, wherever his hangar is. Well, that must be the go-kart track, mustn't it? That's often in the videos. Ground hazard. Highway. Highway? That must mean the go-kart track, surely. And what's this say here? Ground hazard. Believed to contain power line infrastructure. I thought it was going to say, watch out, this is the way to Bruce's hangar. They come in this way, don't they? There should be, yeah. Dear altitude angel, please put a troublesome old bloke warning here in that area. So what's that there? Why is there an increased? Oh, that was a row. Oh, I must have clicked the whole thing. All right, so yeah, that's obviously a very, very dangerous place to be. Oh, what about? Oh, look, the world ends. Oh, lordy, lordy, the world ends. What's that? Is that? Well, that is Hawaii. Okay, there'll probably be stuff on there, won't there? No, it's not a very exotic island, is it? It's full of... Where's some exotic islands? Midway Island. Gosh. Four meters. Oh, look, there's airspace. There's airspace. Oh, my word, there's other stuff. I genuinely haven't looked at this. 4 meters. Oh, the nosebleeds. What's this? Ground hazard. Privacy, safety, and security. Ground hazard. Right, okay. Now, that has impressed me, actually. That has. But I won't tell Richard that or any of his team. What about... So I'm just testing whether... No, let's go to South America. Whether they actually have hazard information everywhere. Let's have a look. Buenos Aires. Oh, yeah. Okay. And so if you zoom in now, for the price, I wonder how do their railways work. I wonder via our... When you zoom in, it takes a little while for ground hazards to arrive, if there are any there. Maybe there aren't any more detailed. Oh no, there's one. What's that? Members of the public will congregate. Oh, that's not so nice. Cemetery. Their railways work with elastic trickery. How would I find a place of power lines? Oh, that was lucky. Oh yeah, there seems to be power lines here. Okay, so yeah. All right, final proof of things. Go up to North of America. Well, no, let's go to somewhere where loads of people we know fly. San Francisco. Right, what's going to happen here then? I wonder if... I suppose it also depends how... Oh, now I am going off on a tangent. How countries... What's that? Oracle Park. Flying US into our stadiums prohibited 1 hour before the scheduled start and the ending. Wow! Look at that. That's a huge... Oh, there's the LANC data. Must be for... What is it for? Oh, for all of there. Now, up here is where you can... There we are. So that's the FAA UAS facility map data. They call it LANC in America. L-A-A-N-C. But that spells LANC in English. Not Lance. Nonsense. What about power lines? What's that? Oh, rail infrastructure. Okay. Then, oh, look, a windmill. There's a windmill came up there. Murphy windmill. So, what I'm trying to say here is, look, it's quite obvious that all manner of ground hazards are already available for free via the Altitude Angel map, either on our website or on their website. Very, very kind of them to let us run this on their website, even with their old logo, via the Guardian Angel app. Oh, should have thought about that before I did it. And more importantly, if you're in our world, also, how can I change that? I've got another screen ready to go. Also on Mission Planner. So if you know, 'cause it's all very well saying, well, how can I get that off my the hazards off my phone or off my PC map. No, look, it's already a mission planner, and look, there is the power line infrastructure in, what do we call it, Browns Plains, as well as all the shops and all the other stuff. And of course, interestingly, Google has numbered all the houses already for their drone deliveries. So that's where they're getting some of their information. So I wonder which house it was that made the order along these lines. And I suppose we're very clever. We could actually find out where their base is. That's that's the circus, isn't it? That's good. Yep, that's the circus. Oh look, there's our track, Browns Plains BMX track, and there's those lines going across the thing. So somewhere in here, somewhere in this area, dumping ground, and perhaps not on the latest Google Map imagery, is wherever the wing drones are operating from. It'd be interesting to find it, wouldn't it? Anyway, you can get ground hazard data into Mission Planner for absolutely free for when you're operating your delivery drone service. Pretty much. Shall we? Shall we do? Pretty much. Let's go to Bruce's place here in Tokoroa and see what it says here. I think pretty much anywhere in the world. Where was it on there? This is like watching paint dry. I don't think my oh, there's Tokoroa. I don't think it'll show up the little extension windows that jump up because it's in config. Oh, it is showing config. And where is it here? Oh, there it is. There, couldn't see it for looking. Altitude Angel. Tick that. Have an account, and everything will turn up in your mission planner. Then, if you want it, you can also report your flights. Oh, look, we'll see whether they. This is terrible, isn't it, for going off topic? Once it's so, Bruce's hangar must. Oh no, I was in the wrong place then. Oh, here we are. Here's. Is there more than one track in Tokoroa? No, that must be the track that was on the thing. Tokoroa kart track. Let's see if this is what pings up if I zoom in enough. If the Altitude Angel data is there, I'm sure it is. Waiting. Oh. There it is. Oh, and there's the. I wonder if we can see any power lines. Can't see any actual lines. Can you? There looks like there's a cut or something there, either side of the lines. Obviously, this isn't good enough resolution for that. And we all know that really, somewhere here in one of these hangars, there should be a great big danger area. Did I see another track up here? Yeah, look at that. Supercross track. And then wasn't there another one over here we looked at just now? Oh, cemetery. That's and there it is as ground hazard. Yeah, and why not? You shouldn't be annoying people, should you, when they're grieving? But what you should always be doing is annoying Bruce. So with that, as I've clearly gone off topic, it is super easy to get ground hazard information either in your hand via the Guardian Angel app, via a browser, and then you're going to have to hydraulically avoid whatever those dangers are. Or if you fly using RGPilot in Mission Planner, there it is. When you do your flight planning, you can be made aware of any issues pretty much anywhere in the world, all for the price of free. I thank you. I look forward to seeing you all at 2100 at GMT every Tuesday for our chat of nonsense with Ian, Bruce and Mark and whoever else comes along, sometimes Sean, geeks. Look after yourselves. See you on Tuesdays. Bye for now.